We are in the exam period, CSEC, CAPE, City and Gales, NCT VET. And we have indicated as well through the OEC to our parents or teachers or invigilators that if a student shows up and says they're COVID positive, that student should take the exam. That student should not be sent away, but there are certain protocols that we have to observe. So for example, that student would be put in a separate room, and if there are other students who are positive, they'd be put in the room together and away from the other students. The invigilators would have to abide by certain protocols as well in terms of the kinds of masks that they wear and the PPEs and so on. So we are prepared for any eventuality. We're prepared for the exam season. Want to wish all our students the best. I know that they've been studying through the COVID, and boy, it tells us that they are resilient. And so we wish them all the best as they go through the exams during the remainder of May into June, and for those who carry on into July. And parents, please help us. You're an important stakeholder in all of this. Just to remind your children, to encourage them. We're still in COVID. We're still living through it, and we have to all be responsible.